Welcome to my channel. This is Latifina vlog again. And now we're going to make a demo about how to make a perfect eyebrows. You guys can see my eyebrows. It's not so perfect. So today I'm gonna make the demo and then I'm gonna use the product from Brows. Perfect Brows, it's eyebrows powder kit. So we're using a powder in this video. Okay, so this I like this eyebrow kit because it's already on my video is now, so I'm sorry for this interrupt. So that's all of my eyebrows, you guys can see. Okay, so first we're going to use this one, a brush. Okay. So that's my brows. So first we're going to make a shape. So in this video, we're not using anything. I'll be just using only this brows powder. Okay. We're not using pencil. So, so all the viewers, I will I would like to introduce myself. I came from the Philippines. So I am 100% Filipino. Say hi to all Filipinos out there watching all over the world. Guys, subscribe me. So you don't miss anything. Just this one. Guys. So what do you think about the powder? The powder the powder eyebrows? So after you guys form on your eyebrows, you guys using a shimmer down here to make it more uh can see your eyebrows. See, have you guys seen it? Really good. Have you seen the shape? Okay. Okay, So this is perfect brows kit for the perfect brows. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you have suggestion, comments below. Thank you.